watching for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates with me. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye po. Ito yung ayusin natin for today. Ito transfer lang po natin ito dito sa aking box. Nakita niyo dyan. Transfer na natin ang aking food. So, super happy po ako na na-transfer na natin siya. So, welcome back to my channel. So, mag-aayos po tayo ng food area ko for today. So, enjoy.